Garlic Parmesan wings in the air fryer, so delicious and so crispy, you can't believe they're not deep fried.
Hi, I'm Chef Ange, and welcome to my kitchen. On today's episode, I want to show you how to make my garlic Parmesan wings in the air fryer. If the air fryer was made for anything, it was made for crispy chicken wings. This recipe is a great and easy recipe that's going to help you use your air fryer to make super crispy chicken wings, plus we'll give them the garlic parm flavor upgrade. For the full recipe and ingredient list, check the description box below, and while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can find out when I drop new recipe and tip videos every week. Let's get cooking.
Wings are a relatively inexpensive cut of chicken, but you can even save a few bucks by buying whole wings instead of pre-cut wingettes, and trimming them is really easy. To trim the full chicken wings into flats and drumsticks, cut the skin and the meat right at the joint between the flat and the drumstick until you get to the bone. Don't cut through the bone, but pop the joint in the opposite direction and bend to separate the bones, and cut through the remaining skin and meat. Repeat the process for the joint in between the wingtip and the flat. Put a few sheets of paper towel in a baking sheet and a raised grate on top. Place the wingettes presentation side up on the raised grate and pat dry with a paper towel. Once removing as much moisture as possible from the skin, place the sheet of wingettes in the fridge uncovered for 1 to 2 hours, or overnight is best. If you're in a rush, skip this step, but do your best to dry them with a paper towel to get them as dry as possible. I've even heard of some people using a hair dryer to get them dry, but we're not going to do that here. After removing the wings from the fridge, you'll see that the skin is much drier now and now has a great potential to get crispy. To season the wings, we're going to toss them in a bowl with oil, baking powder, Chef Ange base seasoning, smoked paprika, and Italian seasoning. Mix by hand until the wings are evenly coated with the spice mixture and the oil. Adding a little oil to the wings at first helps bind the spices to the skin and helps get the cooking started until the fat starts to render from the wings, and that's what really gets them crispy and delicious. Arrange the wings on the air fryer basket or tray evenly and presentation side up. Stretch the skin on the drumsticks if they get bunched up. Don't overcrowd the tray and work in batches if making more than can fit without them overlapping. Leave some space between them to allow for good airflow. Airflow in the air fryer is crucial. The more space in between the wings, the more airflow, the more things are going to get crispy. Put the wings in your air fryer for 12 to 15 minutes at 365 to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. All air fryers are different, so adjust the cooking time and temperatures accordingly to your air fryer. If they are burning, try less time or a lower temperature, and if they don't cook enough or could be crispier, add more time or a slightly higher temperature. While the wings are cooking, let's make our dipping sauce. A big debate in the world of wings is blue cheese or ranch. I like them both, so let's make an all-star combo sauce, a Ranchy blue cheese. We're going to mix some Greek yogurt, ranch dressing, crumbled blue cheese, and finely diced chives, a little salt, and we'll set them in the fridge to let the flavors come together while the wings are cooking. After the first air fry, flip and we'll cook for another 12 to 15 minutes. While the wings are getting their second cook, let's make our garlic parm sauce for the flavor upgrade. Whisk together melted butter, olive oil, finely minced garlic, finely minced parsley, some black pepper, and salt. Pour into a squeeze bottle for easier application into the wings, and store in the fridge if you have leftovers for another batch later. After a second air fry, flip the wings back to the original side and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes at a slightly higher temperature, 385, 395, to get the final crisp going. Remove the wings from the air fryer after they're done cooking and let them cool in the basket or tray for about 5 to 10 minutes, or if you're making multiple batches, let them cool on the raised grate to allow air to get underneath. If you let them cook long enough, you can see how crispy they are. You can totally eat the wings like this, but let's toss them with our garlic parm sauce that we made. Toss the cooled, crispy wings in a large mixing bowl with the garlic sauce to evenly coat. Once evenly coated, add shredded Parmesan cheese on top and give a final toss or two. We'll plate our wings and garnish them with some more shredded Parmesan cheese and finally chopped parsley, serving them with some carrots and some celery sticks and our Ranchy blue cheese dipping sauce.
Wow, these wings look fantastic. If the air fryer was ever made for anything, it was made for making these wings. Let's give one a shot and see how we did. So personally, I'm a flats guy. My favorite way to eat the flats is how I've seen on the TikTok. You take it, you bend it, you can push all the meat down, give that a nice dip in the sauce, and one bite. Wow. I mean, that wing was so crispy and so delicious. I couldn't believe it was made in an air fryer. I thought I was at a sports bar and they made these in the deep fryer. That was really, really good. And for all you drumstick fans out there, let's do a drumstick too. Wow. Crispy, tender. Super flavorful. These wings were awesome. I'm Chef Ange. If you enjoyed this video, let me know how your wings came out in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I gotta go because I gotta eat all these wings. Thanks, and see you on the next one.